logging in, the HA is directed to a dashboard that offers quick insights into total treatments, medicine distributions, and related information. The dashboard uses charts and graphs to visually present data on illnesses, medications, and patient demographics. On the leave page, the HA is currently marked as available. By selecting Set Brief Leave, it changes the status to unavailable. For longer absence, he can use Set Leave, which allows selecting specific start and end dates. HA can share updates, research, or notes by clicking Quick Feed. He can add a title, description, attach images or videos to make posts more engaging. In the inventory page, the HA sees a summary of all medicines, with options to add new categories and quickly search or filter interests. New medicines can be added by entering a name, category, and unit. Existing entries can be edited or removed anytime. By selecting View Batches, the HA can review or modify batch details. The stock page provides detailed records where the HA can add stock by selecting a medicine and entering its quantity, batch, and expiry date. They can also remove specific quantities or filter stock record as needed. On the illness page, the HA can add, edit, or delete illness categories. To add a new illness like red eyes, dead, enter its name, type, selects a category, and provide a brief description. The system then displays this in a structured table. The treatment record dashboard helps the HA document patient details and prescribe medications efficiently. He selects a patient type like student and enter their key details using the Find button to retrieve existing records. For staff family member, a relative staff member can be selected. For diagnosis, the HA chooses the illness, sets severity, records blood pressure, notes if the patient was forwarded to or by the hospital, and adds diagnosis notes. To prescribe medicines, they select from a predefined list that shows available stock. Additional medicines can be added or removed. Once everything is complete, clicking Submit Treatments finalize the records. All treatments records are listed in the patient treatment history, which is searchable by patient name. HA can also update his personal information. Under Account Setting, there's an option to enable Multi-Factor Authentication (MFA) for added security. A session section shows current and past logins. Users can also switch between dark and light mode. Real-time notifications are delivered via WebSocket. So after student login, they are directed to this dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, they can view the current availability status of the HA along with their contact number. They can view the latest feeds and announcements posted by the HA. Students have access to their complete medical history, which can be filtered by illness name or narrowed down to a specific record using a date selector. Students can also manage their personal information and adjust their account setting. Deans and tutors are directed to the same dashboard layout as students. In addition to accessing their own personal medical records, deans and tutors have the ability to view medical records for their registered family members. Deans and tutors can view student health visit records. The page first displays visits from the students in their own department. They can also access records from other departments by selecting the student's number. Once a specific date is selected, the system displays visit records for that day. Up to this point, the features are the same for both the staff and dean. The following section includes additional features available only to the dean. First, under the HA Visits tab, the dean can manage all registered health assistants. The dean can also register new health assistants and change current availability status, whether active or inactive. Next, under the Role Control tab, the dean has access to the Staff Role Management interface. This section allows the dean to monitor roles like dean and staff. The third section, Mentally Challenged Issues, focuses on mental health support cases. It displays a list of reported mental health cases with the date and time of report. Such case has a status indicator and it helps the dean to track student mental wellness and ensure timely support coordination with appropriate service. They can also manage their personal information and update their account settings.
Students can view their medical history, and by clicking on View Details, they can see the complete details of that visit, and they can also view the feeds where it will show any medical news regarding to the college, and they can change their blood type and phone number in the profile section. The tutor can also view their medical history, and they can either choose to view their own medical history or the family members. They can also view the feed same as student. Then the tutor can verify a student's leave by checking the date on which the student visited the infirmary, and they can also search the student by the student number for other